sorry for the farmers. You know, to get this rice from the ground and onto your plate is an arduous process.
I never known it was an arduous project. Can you tell me more about rice farming?
I'm not going to tell you, but I will show you instead.
When the dry season is over, farmers will start plowing their fields to get soil ready for rice planting when the rainy season comes.
For one day, then laying them on wooden boards. The seeds are then covered with a wet cloth for about 2 days. After that, they will sow the seeds in the seedbeds and raise them before planting in the field.
After rice seeds are raised in the seedbeds for 25 to 30 days, they will grow into young plants. Then, they will be ready to be planted in the field. At this time, the villagers who live nearby will come to help sow the young plants in the field.
Flower and start to produce seeds. Then it takes another month for the seeds to be fully grown. Once the rice fields turn yellow, harvest season has begun.
A reaping bee will be formed and the group will rotate to help one another until the harvest season ends. While they are reaping, folk songs are sung to entertain themselves during the work. Mostly, they sing in antiphonal style between a male and a female. This has become a traditional recreational folk entertainment in the central region.
Shall be left on a plate after eating. We shall not forget the hard work of the farmers in the rice field.
So next time when you eat rice, we hope you finish all the rice on your plate.
Yêu